Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Is it possible for your dream home, the one you picture in your mind, that perfect, peaceful sanctuary, to be both stunningly beautiful and incredibly kind to our planet? It sounds like a tall order, right? Like you have to choose between high-end design and eco-friendly living. Well, what if I told you there's a design philosophy that not only brings them together, but proves they were meant to be all along? Today, we're diving deep into one of my absolute favorite styles, but with a twist. We're talking about sustainable Japandi and how this gorgeous blend of design is paving the way for a more conscious and beautiful future for all of us. Stick around because you might just find the inspiration you've been looking for. So, what exactly is Japandi? You've probably seen the term popping up all over your Pinterest and Instagram feeds. On the surface, it's a design hybrid, a beautiful marriage between Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian functionality. Think clean lines, neutral color palettes, and spaces that feel both airy and cozy at the same time. But honestly, calling it just a trend is selling it way short. Japandi is a philosophy. It's a way of thinking about our homes and our lives. From the Japanese side, we get the concept of wabi-sabi. This is the idea of finding beauty in imperfection, in the natural cycle of growth and decay. It's about appreciating things that are simple, modest, and authentic. It's that perfectly imperfect, handcrafted ceramic bowl, or the way natural light hits a weathered wooden table. Then, from the Scandinavian side, we get hygge, that famous Danish concept of coziness, comfort, and contentment. It's about creating a warm, inviting atmosphere where you can relax and feel safe. It's also about incredible functionality and a deep respect for craftsmanship. When you blend these two philosophies together, you get something truly special. You get a home that's uncluttered, but not cold, minimalist, but not sterile. It's a space that's intentional. And that word intentional is the magic key that connects Japandi directly to sustainability. It's about choosing every item in your home with care and purpose, which is the very heart of living an eco-conscious life. Now, let's get to the really good stuff. How this beautiful aesthetic is secretly an environmental powerhouse. And it all starts with the materials. Japandi design has this deep reverence for nature, so it's no surprise that it champions natural, renewable materials. We're talking light woods like bamboo, ash, maple, and oak. Bamboo especially is a sustainability superstar. It grows incredibly fast and is stronger than many hardwoods. The style also loves other natural textures like rattan, jute, linen, cotton, and even paper for things like lampshades. These materials aren't just beautiful, they're biodegradable. They come from the earth and they can return to it without causing harm. But here's where it gets even better. That wabi-sabi principle, the love for imperfection, makes Japandi the perfect framework for using recycled and upcycled materials. Think about it. A countertop made from recycled glass fragments, a beautiful rug woven from recycled plastic bottles, or a vase made from reclaimed ceramic. These items have a history, a story. Their minor imperfections aren't flaws, they're character. This mindset completely flips the script on what we consider new and valuable. It encourages us to see the potential in what already exists, which is a massive win for reducing waste. It's about creating a home that's not just beautiful, but also tells a story of renewal and resourcefulness. And we can't talk about materials without talking about our health. A core part of sustainable living is creating a healthy environment inside our homes, not just outside. Japandi's focus on natural materials means you're bringing fewer toxic chemicals into your space. It encourages the use of non-toxic, low VOC or volatile organic compound paints and finishes. So while you're creating this calm, serene space, you're also breathing cleaner air. It's a win-win. This leads me to one of the most important aspects of sustainable Japandi, its stand against our modern throwaway culture. I'm sure you've heard of fast fashion, but have you heard of fast furniture? It's the same idea. Cheaply made, trendy pieces that are designed to be used for a year or two and then end up in the landfill when they break or go out of style. It's a cycle that's creating a tremendous amount of waste. Japandi is the complete opposite of this. It's the ultimate advocate for buy less, but buy better. It champions high-quality, well-crafted furniture that is built to last a lifetime, maybe even generations. Both Japanese and Scandinavian cultures have a long, rich history of incredible craftsmanship. They value solid wood, proper joinery, and a level of attention to detail that you just don't find in mass-produced items. When you invest in a well-made dining table or a beautifully crafted chair, you're not just buying an object, you're investing in a piece of functional art. And because the design itself is so timeless, simple, clean, and elegant, it's not going to look dated in 5 years. You won't feel that pressure to constantly update and replace. You're choosing pieces that you will love and appreciate for decades to come. This simple shift in mindset, from temporary to permanent, is one of the most powerful things we can do to reduce our personal environmental footprint. You're not just decorating a room, you're curating a collection of meaningful items that will journey with you through life. Okay, so we're choosing quality pieces made from sustainable materials. That's a fantastic start. But where do we get them? The next pillar of sustainable Japandi is all about thinking local. We live in a globalized world where you can order a sofa from the other side of the planet with a single click. But have you ever stopped to think about the environmental cost of that? The carbon footprint from shipping heavy, bulky furniture across oceans is massive. This is where supporting local artisans and craftsmen comes in. By choosing to buy from a furniture maker in your own city or region, you are drastically cutting down on those transportation emissions. But it's so much more than that. You're investing in your local economy and helping to keep traditional craft skills alive. You get to have a connection with the person who made your furniture. You know the story behind that coffee table. You know the hands that shaped it. That piece is no longer just a generic product, it has a soul. It brings a unique, personal energy into your home that you can't get from a flat pack box. So next time you're looking for a new piece, take a moment to look around your own community. You might be surprised by the incredible talent you find just around the corner. So how can you start bringing a little bit of this sustainable Japandi magic into your own home without feeling overwhelmed? You don't have to do a complete overhaul overnight. It's all about small, intentional steps. A great place to start is simply by decluttering. Embrace the Japanese philosophy of tidying up to figure out what you truly love and need. This helps you appreciate what you already have. When you do need to bring something new into your home, make secondhand first your mantra. Check out local thrift stores, flea markets, or online marketplaces. You can often find incredibly well-made, solid wood pieces from the past that just need a little love. A quick sanding and a fresh coat of non-toxic finish can transform an old piece into a Japandi masterpiece. If you are buying new, do a little homework. Look for companies that are transparent about their materials and their manufacturing process. Look for certifications like FSC certified wood, which ensures it comes from responsibly managed forests. And finally, bring nature in. It's one of the easiest and most affordable ways to capture the Japandi spirit. A few simple plants not only purify the air, but also create that vital connection to the natural world that is so central to this design philosophy. In the end, sustainable Japandi is so much more than an aesthetic. It's a mindful, intentional approach to creating a home. It teaches us that a beautiful space isn't about having more stuff, it's about having the right stuff. Things that are well-made, kind to the earth, and bring us a sense of peace and joy. It proves that we don't have to sacrifice style for sustainability. In fact, by making conscious choices, we can create a home that is not only more beautiful and serene, but also a true reflection of our values and our hope for a better future. I hope this has left you feeling inspired to look at your own space a little differently today. It's amazing what we can achieve when we design with both beauty and purpose in mind. If you love these ideas and want to explore more ways to create a beautiful, mindful, and sustainable home, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Viana Home family. We're always exploring new ideas, and we'd love to have you along for the journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.